So guys, I'm home now, and what happened is there's a spider in the room, and I've tried to pick it up with a tissue, and then when I kneel, I didn't know that there's a needle there, and it landed on my knee. So took me to the emergency room because I couldn't straighten it up. I couldn't stand up on it, so I have to skip. So went to emergency room, waited for like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Waited for like 6 hours before I got taken to the treatment room. And then when I went to the treatment room, they open it, ultrasound and x-ray. And then when it's actually there, the half of the needle is there. So it's like 3 centimeters deep and 16 millimeters long, the needle that's in there. So the other half is in there in the office. So I spent the night in the emergency because they couldn't get it out, and like it's really deep in the tendon. So they tried and tried, but they couldn't get it out. So they sent me to the short stay, and then I stayed there overnight. And then the orthopedic surgeon saw me, and then went to the theater, and they took it out from there. And now I'm home after all that. I look so haggard. I haven't slept really well because you know, in the hospital they always like beep beep, and then Leah is not really good place to rest. But anyway guys, I'm all good now. They all taken it out. I'm taking antibiotics at the moment, and yeah, it's actually not painful yet because I think the anesthesia is still there. So the time the anesthesia wears off, I think that's the time I will be feeling the pain, because I can really see them fiddling inside, and they cut a little like that long. They cut that long, and they're fiddling inside just to find the needle is. But it was really painful. It wasn't a really good experience. So thanks guys for watching and for being with me. But thanks to you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and don't worry about me. I'm all right now, and I'm going for a shower, and then I'm gonna have a rest. Just put anesthesia, guys. They couldn't get it out, guys. Oh my god. So guys, they couldn't get it out. So I think I have to go to the theater. You guys. Lagyan na tayo ng needle. Okay, no. Ang sakit pa naman. Got it out, guys.
That's all right. Just put on outside.
So that one come up. All done, guys. So, guys. Sleep soon. Waiting for x-ray, but I've been waiting since 6 o'clock this morning.
Clean, that's right. Mine's high fever, and that's what I'm
Needles gone, guys. Uwi na tayo, guys. Ang lamig pa naman sa labas. Whew. So I got my script and done. Goodness, what an accident. I'm just waiting now, guys, for hubby and kids to pick me up. And it's so cold out here. My niece is actually good, guys. So yeah, home. Thank goodness for that. What an accident.